Welcome to Chapter Data Structures and Algorithms as Topic Arrays and Lists. In this lesson, we will explore two fundamental data structures, arrays and lists. These structures play a crucial role in organizing and manipulating data efficiently. Let's dive in. Introduction to arrays and their properties. Arrays are a collection of elements of the same data type, stored in contiguous memory locations. They have a fixed size, determined at the time of declaration. Elements in an array are accessed using their index, starting from 0. Arrays offer fast random access to elements. Operations on arrays. There are several operations we can perform on arrays. First is accessing, which allows us to retrieve or modify elements by their index. We can also insert new elements at a specific index or at the end of the array. Deleting elements involves removing an element by its index and rearranging the remaining elements. Lastly, we can search arrays to find the index or presence of a specific element. Introduction to lists and their properties. Lists are dynamic data structures that can grow or shrink in size as needed. Each element in a list contains a value and a reference to the next element, forming a chain. Lists allow for efficient insertion and deletion operations at any position. Operations on lists. Similar to arrays, lists have various operations. We can insert new elements at the beginning, end, or any position within a list. Deleting elements involves removing an element and adjusting the connections between adjacent elements. Lists can also be traversed to search for a specific value or perform other operations on the elements. Comparison between arrays and lists. Let's compare arrays and lists. Arrays have a fixed size, while lists can dynamically grow or shrink. In terms of insertion and deletion, lists have efficient operations at any position, while arrays require shifting elements. Arrays provide fast, random access to elements, whereas lists require traversal from the beginning to access a specific element. When it comes to memory usage, arrays generally require less memory compared to lists, which need additional memory for maintaining references between elements. Congratulations on completing this chapter on arrays and lists. These data structures are fundamental building blocks in programming. Arrays offer fast access, while lists provide flexibility. Understanding their properties and operations is crucial for optimizing data manipulation in your programs. Thank you for joining us in this chapter. Remember to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive notifications for future lessons and updates. Happy coding!